So we just added the GRISUN fire pit to our little setup. And honestly, it's been the best decision, my decision, not his idea, so far this summer. Setup was so easy. It looks awesome, throws some serious flame, and cut to night scene. Just look at that flame. It's got that 360 view, so pretty at night. And it totally sets the mood, whether it's with wine or friends, whatever. Lighting it is very easy. It's just one quick push and turn. Crazy. Too much power. This is beautiful. And it's the evening time, and that's right when we start to get out here and get to use. It even puts off real good heat on the lowest dial. Like that, you can roast some faces. I just feel next level spoiled. We have an umbrella hole, so it's a little raised, but this still sits flat because it's got the 4 feet that lift it up. And this just upgraded our hangout zone. Comes with beautiful blue stone, and you can always personalize it and get any color. And it comes with a very nice cover. So let me just cool it off for a bit. Installation was so easy. You just put the glass in, put these screws in, like a rubber side to them, put the stones in, and then hook up your propane, and you're good to go. If you want your cover to look as good as mine, just steam clean it. Maybe other people don't care about wrinkles on their cover, but I do. We had a very rainy day, but tonight is supposed to be nice, so I'm going to keep it covered until it's dark. And the cover has these nice handles, but you've got this nice cinch, so it's safe. It's going to last years. The propane just runs right down there and to your tank. You can also use natural gas.